Augusta University officials are answering questions about the new campus carry law, which took effect July 1st. The law allows weapons carry license holders to conceal carry their handguns on public colleges across the Peach State. News Channel 6's Mike Miller was at the university's forum today.
The biggest questions about the campus carry law are where you can and can't bring your weapons, and public safety officers here on campus are trying to give guidance to students and faculty members who have questions about these changes. Kurt Voss is helping his daughter Melissa get ready for her first year at Augusta University. The Voss family is from California, where things are very different compared to Georgia.
Their gun laws are very, very strict. You can't carry a gun. You can't even have a gun together with bullets.
That's why the Voss family is happy to hear about Georgia's recent passing of the campus carry law.
People that have concealed carry permits commit a minute amount of crime, but a bad guy does not follow the law. If he wants to get a gun and shoot somebody, he's going to just do it.
AU public safety officers are holding forums to make sure everyone at the school knows the rules of the new law.
Before July 1st, a gun on campus call was significant for our officers, and now they've got to shift a little bit in terms of how they respond to that.
In order to bring a gun on campus, you must have a weapons carry license, and the handgun must be carried in a concealed manner, meaning it can't attract the attention of others. Also, you can't bring your gun into athletic buildings, residence halls, areas with children or high school students, faculty and administrative offices, and places where disciplinary proceedings are held. So far, at least 10 states have passed similar campus carry laws.
Nationwide, we really haven't experienced many issues at all.
All reasons why the Voss family is happy their daughter chose a college in Georgia.
And I tell you, I'm not as worried about her walking around the campus at night if she can have a gun with her. I mean, I don't want to sound like a cowboy, but I mean, I think her life is more important than people that are just scared of guns for no reason.
There are a few more meetings scheduled with public safety officers. If you have any questions about the campus carry law, faculty members and students will be able to get those questions answered during those sessions. We have that meeting information on our website, WJBF.com. Back to you.
A developing story out of